Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for 24 May. And it seems like SLP has made a little bit of a bearish pattern here. So it's some sort of a spinning top. You're stuck between a spinning top and a shooting star, but this looks almost like a shooting star, this one right over here. So let's do a quick Google about it. So here we are, and let's do shooting star candlestick, and I'm on the outer draw. I actually closed it, just gonna open up the outer draw, and this one, and that was just the trading course. You're gonna learn about trading. Do check it out, the link is in the description. It's 18 hours long content, right? So when you move into the upside like this, and you see a candlestick that actually goes down and makes something like this, okay, that's known as a shooting star basically, and that actually reverses the price to the downside. So number one, and we have to match and we have to compare this coin to Bitcoin as well, because Bitcoin is not looking so good. I've talked about Bitcoin in detail, and there's a good chance that Bitcoin is actually making a bearish symmetrical triangle that can take it to $20,000. Look at this. You went to the downside, you're coiled up in a symmetrical triangle, and you're moving to the downside, right? So that's not a good sign. That's not a good sign, especially for any coin at the moment. So can you do watch the update in detail so that you can understand it when Bitcoin flips bullish, because it's really important for you to get to know when Bitcoin is going to get bullish for you to start investing once again. So right now there could be a good chance that we don't get to this technical target up here to the 870, because when you see this kind of candlestick printing out and some sort of an evening star printing out as well, there's a good chance that you're looking for a downtrend, a continued downtrend. And one more thing I want to tell you is that this price at the 0.0032 is still pending. Even if you actually try to go up, and the higher you would go is like to this place, you are still potentially looking to go down. If you just don't actually cross this level 87 and hold it and back test and move up, that would be huge, that would be amazing. But as long as you're not doing that, this is still on a journey. I told you, how downtrend works. You go down, you make a pull to the upside, make people interested in it, then you push them down, you pump it up, make people interested, you push it down, you pump it up again, you push it down. It's a wavy journey. It's a wavy journey. Okay, down, up, down, up. This is known as thrust, reaction, thrust, reaction, thrust. Or you can say impulsive move, correction, impulsive move, a correction, and impulsive move. So until now, you haven't broken the downtrend. If we actually try to break the downtrend by going above the yellow line, backtest and hold it and move sideways and try to come to the 87 level, that would be a nice good sign. That would be a nice good sign. Or make some inverse head and shoulder or an ascending triangle, any sign. But right now, we're not doing that. Okay, we're still not doing that. We're still in deep waters right here. It's hard for me to even actually convince you that it's good anymore. I cannot even say it's good anymore. Okay, everything is now in just a switch, in just a snap like this one, everything flips upside and down. Okay, so it is what it is, and that's it for today's update. One thing is clear: if you actually try to cross the highest part of the shooting star, which is the 649 or the 650, that means that it's invalidating the bearishness, and there's a good chance you actually go upside. If you're not crossing the 649 at the moment in the short time frames, then that's not really good. Okay, and that's it for today's update. Do check out the trading course, 18 hours long, and join the Discord. The link is in the description of the video. Click on this link and you're gonna be in just a second, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.